Hi, today we are at World Artificial Intelligence Festival in Cannes. This exhibition is guiding us for the future of technologies and innovations in different domains like ecology, healthcare, security, and in industry. It is fascinating to discover how it will shape the future and transform our daily life and jobs. So let's explore it together.
Par leurs exercices de rééducation cognitive et motrice, adaptent les tests à leurs besoins, surveillent leurs paramètres vitaux et...
Voilà, donc on est en rencontre avec William qui aide les personnes dans le secteur médical. C'est ici à Cannes, au Palais des Festivals de Cannes.
A cognitive humanoid robot designed to assist in healthcare environments. Engage in friendly conversations and enhance patient well-being and comfort. L'heure dédiée à l'IA. Comment puis-je vous aider à cet événement? You see the little thing? Okay. Turn it around, select, you see this first. And then I'm just like moving my thing.
Iniziato anche dal marketing. Ma sorridi, felice di essere qui. Il marketing mi ha detto che devi andare in live o devo fare la
Voice or text if you want in different language. English, it's okay for you? Or?
English is better, yes.
Hello and welcome to the Dolby stand at RAPE 2025. I'm Stephanie, your virtual assistant. I can tell you all about network technology, Dolby's innovations in emotional AI, and everything else you need to know about the show. Got a question? I'm here to answer it.
Could you give me David's history? My English is not very good. It's a little bit slow because the Wi-Fi is not very good.
I see.
So just a few seconds.
If you can tell me in few words what it can do,
Sorry?
what it can do, and where it.
Yeah, she can exchange to accueillir for the welcome on public point, museum or public services or in hospitality, different hospitality. We can use this for the health to train future doctors or to train with a virtual patient. We can use on your website to have a helpful assistant, everything that you want.
In every domain or
Yes.
specified in only one?
No, every domain. But we create for each domain an expert, not a generalist digital human, but an expert. Like when you recruit people, you define their mission, their skills, different solutions, and we put this on the digital human, and we have an expert for the current domain.
And you train it before you can train it for each domain?
Yes.
For medicine or for...
Yes, it's based on generative AI, so we can adjust the prompt and the knowledge base for each domain directly, and each customer can create their custom knowledge base. It's possible.
And how long would it take to install it in
It depends.
hospitals? Or...
It depends. Sometimes for a quick epoch proof of concept, in 2 hours we can create a solution.
That's a great.
But often it's 3 months, 4 months, or for the big projects, 6 months. Yeah, generally.
Nice.
Si, bonjour. Le Wi-Fi est un peu lent, alors on a un peu de mal à répondre.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
After 5 years of intensive research and development, the first version of Record was launched.
I need more. I mean, Jenna, I'm sure you'll find pieces like where I'm sounding I just want like
So this robotic arms is there in the context of smart manufacturing. So obviously here it's a way to manage the automations of activities within the factory, within production lines, which would help and augment the ability of a human being to perform a complete kind of product development or product manufacturing of a product. So in that case, you get instructions to proceed to a specific task, but you could imagine with the AI that you would be able to learn again and again with reinforcement learning or supervised learning to in fact improve the movement and the task that he's able to perform by himself, right? So in that case, it's not really what is happening, but the idea is to really, in fact, also get data from the machines that are running within the factory, analyze the data, being able to apply some models, AI models on the data in order to prevent downtimes, for instance, reducing the in-plant downtimes, which is costing a lot of money for manufacturers, because when a plant is down, they don't produce, they don't sell the goods. So, and also to increase the productivity of engineers and technicians. So based on the data and the insight they can get from the data, thanks to machine learning models, they can really also augment the productivity, the yields, and also all the equipments which are running in the manufacturing. So that's more or less the objective of those kind of demo here, right?
So it also can lift very weight.
Yes, that can address activities which are hazardous for human being, or which are very constraining for which you couldn't do yourself because it's too heavy, like in the manufacturing industry or the automotive. You have robotic arms that are picking the doors, assembling them today, and they are checked by people around, but that's more or less what you can do. There's also some use case that you can use for precise, manipulations, like in the surgery, right? You have people now that are commanding robotic arms in order to, to fix, a heart or whatever. And this is really used to augment the the level of accuracy of the movement, right?
Right now, is it used in some of the domain or not?
Yes, it's we have multiple manufacturing clients. I can't tell you every client, but we have some interesting ones in different kind of sectors: manufacturing, food productions, automotive as well, which are applying those kind of tools, and also AI. Today is getting more and more important for them, right?
Great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
For your all details.
Nice time
Thank
there.
you. You too.
Will this be up and running? Like, I want
Want to take a picture in front of the screen?
no, I want to put demo video. Yes.
Just let me know.
You know how to do
Bonjour.
Vous parlez français?
Just un petit peu.
Vous êtes plus à l'aise en italien, en anglais?
Anglais, c'est
I
bien.
will try in English. You know about Institut Européen or not?
No.
No?
If you can tell me more about it.
Yeah? You are working in which kind of
Designer.
design? Okay. So we are an association, and our team is to speak about AI in every work evolution, and to get people involved, and also involved in reflection about this, and to have an AI ethic, and to discuss about it's a good thing, the limits, and how to be sustainable also. So we make some conferences, one by month, but also some des procès. You know, in French, mot procès, with advocacy, with testimony. And we have already done 3, and one of it had been done by comics. This comics, it's the first comics made only with AI, and it's telling the story of Sophia Antipolis
Yes, I've
in
been there.
240, but in fact it's also telling about justice, because this one had been judged about the work of AI with the way we will work tomorrow in each work, and he had been judged, and it took place in Nice in April, last April, and it was very interesting, and in fact it had been taken like a subject to do this AI comic, and we have already done 2 others more. Even in January in Polytech, the University of Sophia Antipolis, we have done one about judgment about not AI but about social media, and it was very interesting. We will done other in a few months also, and more than the comics, we also launched the first film festival with AI, and this is the teaser there. We have launched prize with 4 prize, and the fact is not to replace the industry, the film industry by AI, but to give more tools for them. And the jury we have already make is led by Claude Lelouch, which is a very old and famous realizator, and also his daughter is working with AI platform to get a script and scenario made by AI. So
This one will take place soon.
yeah,
as I
in
see.
April, the 10th and the 11th of April here, it will give the prizes to all the people we have concours, and there is 4 prizes, and it's open to everybody. And with the QR code, you can go on the website of the film festival, and it's very interesting because the people will get on the platform of several tools to make their own script. So it's useful to get competence, more tools for everybody, and to go and progress with AI.
So can everyone participate?
Yes, yes, it's possible. So you have to go on the website and to give your project until the 12th of March.
Sounds good.
You will have to go and go to the QR code to have the website, and also we have a lot of communication on Instagram, on LinkedIn about this, because it's the first one, and it will take place on le Palais des Congrès at Jean Lépin, and also in Nice in Pâté Cinéma, and it will be a huge people to get.
Thank you. Sounds very interesting.
Oh yeah, and in fact, our association had been building 4 years ago, but we have already an Institut Européen in Luxembourg, in Belgium, also in Italy, and another one, Maison de l'Intelligence, in Morocco. And a lot of people say, oh, how to do one thing like that in Turkey and other country also.
About Italy, as I heard, they banned some of the AI. Banned. Italy banned, forbidden some of the AI tools, or it's not.
I don't know, but you have already seen the village, the Italian village.
Yes. I passed by.
Did you?
I didn't ask yet.
Why?
Yes, I have to go to the
Okay, I can't give you the answer because it's too tough for me to.
Okay, no
But you will have an answer. And normally you have a stand of Institut Européen Italy. You will see Giovanni Baldassari, which is the leader of Institut Européen Italy.
Okay, thank you very much.
Also, for today and tomorrow, we have several conferences, some in English, some in Italian, if you want, I can give you this one.
Sounds good.
The program is here, and we have already done this. Italian was there with AI and fusion. Okay, and after you will have Bainsa also, and there were the Bainsa. It's tomorrow afternoon. Voilà. Bainsa will take place. There is something about AI and art, and also AI and music. And you can go and see at our other stand, AI and art. It's a bit like there, a huge black stand. You have to go inside. It's immersive one. Okay. I engage you to go and to see. And if you want to go, it's open for everybody. But you have to go upstairs and go to check the Alan Turing Agora. You have to. It's with signalization. You can. Go there. You have to go outside, but it's not far. It's just here in the old bâtiment.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
I let you this, and
Thank you.
please take the QR code. Sure. And if you want to have more information about Institut Européen, I don't want to give you more people. Or you are going there, or if you want, you can only check the.
Sì. Adesso si prende il tuo.
Adesso prendo il suo, come ho preso quello dell'altro. Aspetta, fermo là, che arrivo subito con il mio.
Ma esattamente sul sistema di pelle.
Sì, stiamo facendo adesso con Sant'Anna una cosa come una sensoristica tipo pelle.
Hi, I'm Robi, a cognitive humanoid robot designed to assist in healthcare environments. I support medical staff and patients with tasks and companionship.
Are you dangerous for human beings?
No, I am designed to be safe for humans. I follow Isaac Asimov's 3 laws of robotics to ensure I do not harm anyone.
Why robots should help human beings?
I should help human beings by supporting and collaborating with them, making their lives easier and safer, especially in healthcare and rehabilitation.
What are you doing here?
Yes, artificial intelligence is a useful tool for humanity, enhancing efficiency, safety, and accessibility in various fields like healthcare, education, and industry.
Can you prove empathy?
I can show empathy by understanding and responding to your emotions and needs, but I don't experience feelings myself. How can I support you today?
You want to ask a specific question?
No, I just want to ask you if it does anything else
Here, this one is just a prototype, but we are testing it under, let's say, controlled situation in a private hospital in Rome, which is a research center, university hospital, specifically for neurosciences, and is supporting patients with stroke and patients with Parkinson in cognitive neurorehabilitation and motorial exercises.
Sounds very interesting.
It is actually. It's really nice also to see the reaction of the patients when they interact with a machine, which in any case give them kind of a feeling of safety and also, I try to think about the English word, but they really are confident about the support that they can get from this machine. So it starts kind of an emotional empathy with the machine, even if, as he said, the machine cannot prove empathy. Okay? But the patients really believe him and is trying to get his support for his problem.
Sounds very interesting and promising.
Well, of course, this is it comes from traditional automation and robotic. Thanks to AI, gives this machine the possibility really to be cognitive in understanding where he is and what's the need of the people around him.
Nice. Does it help with the diagnosis or with the illness, or it's just more an assistant?
I would say it's more an assistant, so it gets direct feedback from all the machineries inside an hospital. He has all the information about the patients, so it's a very smart assistant if you want. He's not doing any kind of testing himself. He can have some sensors, so can measure temperature or heartbeat, but the very basic one with sensors.
This is also very useful.
It is actually. We founded the company in 2020, and we did that because we all know what happened in 2020 with pandemic. So this kind of tool was not ready yet, but would have been great for a simple and easy task like a triage. Simple triage, temperature, the finger check, and I know if you are at risk or not.
So it started to work from which year?
It started to work from?
Which year it started?
We founded in 2020. We sold the very first one in the industry, so the industrial one, in 2024. This has been tested since 2023 in the hospital, and it's going to be available for the market sometime this year, let's say September this year, with a certification as a medical device class 2A.
And can I ask you more or less what would be the price for such an assistant?
The healthcare assistant, let's call it like this, we are selling it as that. We are pre-selling the machine at 120,000.
Nice. I think for it is very useful, and I think it will go very nice.
We try.
Will be very useful in different domains.
We try to explain that the humanoids are not there for trick or for stupid stuff. Both in the industry and in the healthcare sector, there are very specific needs for people. Dangerous job, dangerous material, weight, all kind of things that can be really dangerous for human beings. Same in the healthcare sector. So this machine can help solving those problems. Not preparing the coffee.
Yes.
Okay. not empty the dishwasher. Yeah, but if you look on the web, you see all kind of stupid things done by the machine. No, these are machines that can be very useful.
Yes, that is the most important thing. Thank you. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you. Noi abbiamo anche
Looking at the Select PSMA, Select PSMA is really a tool that identifies patients into two categories, responders and non-responders towards PSMA targeted treatment. Previous study shows that accuracy to identify non-responders to PSMA therapy is 94%. However, identify a non-responder
La seconde est composée d'ingénieurs et de docteurs en robotique et un laboratoire spécialisé dans la conception de robots autonomes. L'intelligence artificielle et robotique avancée, surtout ces robots, ont été mis à l'épreuve pour de nombreux clients. La suivante est
pas sur les forcément les données.
La conferenza questa e tu dove devi andare? Dobbiamo andare qua.
Ci vediamo Moi, ça m'a
What, là, comme ça. Buon lavoro.
Ah non, alors moi je peux électroniquement, sauf que le stage, ça va accélérer. Ça va accélérer. Hein? Non, bah, ici, ça s'appelle S. Secondo me adesso
Really, I'm the only one that wasn't.
Il a raison, hein.
C'est bon, vous avez pris des clubs. Très bien. Merci à vous. Ah, je ne sais pas du tout. Claro, Ah, so you like to go? Oh, sorry. So that was I thought you were friends. So March for sure.
Però Gianluca, se tu per 5 anni mi fai dare...
So here we are at the second level where the conference rooms are, and you have to have the special access here, special badge. So this floor is only for full pass access. And here are the rooms where they discuss about AI technologies and innovations. Here is the entrance to the conference, an exhibition. We have here different countries that participate at this exhibition, and each of these countries bring their own ideas and own applications that will be like useful for future AI technologies. Also, there is a pitching area about the startups in AI. Here we have the most interesting robot that I've seen. It's an innovation for healthcare. It was designed and implemented already in Rome, so it's pretty interesting. And the new Tesla model car. Let's have a peek at the interior. Pretty stylish. also an interesting innovation is this robotic car that could be the future of industrial technology.
Using already components. We call plugins, and the plugin is basically sort of a tool which solves a small task, which can be programmed in traditional programming.
Integrates technologies, organizations, and so on. And on AI, we have two sides. The first one is we build fully customized solutions, and the second one is that we have an R&D. We have built products where we can extract data from any kind of documents, where we can also have a conversational agent, where you can ask anything about a document, or we can also automatize a workflow. The second one is that if you have, how I can say that, if you want to go to the internet and collect many kind of documents from maybe 200 companies, we can do that for you with one click. We get you all the documents. You can compare all the KPIs you want, and you can compare the different kind of companies. This is what we do.
This is interesting for a lot of information.
I'm sorry, because we have we have a lot of clients and services. So yeah, basically it's a bit messy, but we do a lot of things.
Okay, thank you.
Sure.
Thank you very much.
Voilà. En tout cas, avec plaisir pour échanger un petit moment. Bonne journée. And the other one is not here.
Ah mais on est
Here is another conference room. So here they talk about how AI impacts daily life and its strategies for the future, how to implement and to increase its productivity, and also what impact it has on the environment, because AI is consuming a lot of energy and a lot of technology wastes.
You can draw a sketch of a floor plan of a house, for example, this. AI process, system converts.
Nice.
Process. Can edit dimensions. Get 3D.
Very nice. And it renders?
It's not still not. It's under implementation. The render. Yeah.
And does it have more like furniture decoration?
Yeah. You can also generate your own decoration with artificial intelligence.
Does it go with the dimensions exactly, or
Yeah.
it's more
With the dimensions, so you can adjust the exact dimensions. This.
for the plan I see, but for the decorations and
For the
furniture?
for the decoration, it's exact dimension, and we are implementing also the scale, the modification of the scale up, scale down.
It would be more interesting also to see it in 3D as a render like this.
Yeah. So this is the other part of the platform where we generate the assets. So a modern racing car, and we generate the car that we place inside the scene.
Can I do different plans, like very intricate, more sophisticated plans?
Yeah, can do the sophisticated plans. We are implementing the shapes like curves. We are still implementing the curves, but for shapes different. For example, a triangular house, like this.
It's only for interior or also for architecture?
Yeah, also for architecture. Yeah, everyone involved in design.
Thank you.
Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. With banana. Hello with banana.
In relation to the massive structure being constructed by people using tools and intricate machinery. In this work, he demonstrates his exceptional artistic and technical skills, precision, and profound understanding of the subject. Google was deeply fascinated.
Also, we see a lot of startups are from Italy, which is very interesting.
Ma il video specialicenza piccola, se tu vedi quei video splendidi che stanno creando, e poi fa all'estero, loro hanno uno stand, noi che siamo venuti per culo.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, not so bad, waiting for you here.
Interesting to know more about this computing multiverse.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna give you a tour over the company if you like.
Yes, sure.
So we are a company, sorry, we are a company based in San Sebastián in Spain. We have offices all over the world, in US, Toronto, here in Paris in France, Munich. And we started as a service company, so where the client would come to us with their problems and we would give a solution for them. And now we have transitioned to our main two products. The main one, that is the one that you can read from here, is Compactive AI. It is a large AI model compressor by using tensor networks, which is we are the only provider using this technique to compress this type of models. And also we have Singularity, which is a software library where we have developed quantum and quantum-inspired algorithms for solving problems for the clients, where we can sell also the library for them so they can use it in the way that they would like. This would be like the main lines of our company and where we're working about.
So these quantum algorithms, they are hard to implement in everyday life?
So here the good thing is that we are doing the work in the back end for the client. Therefore, what it takes us apart from the market, from some similarities would be that you wouldn't need a quantum specialist to run these algorithms. So here we would tell you how algorithms would help you to solve your problem, how you can translate your problems into our algorithms to use them, but you don't need to know what is happening in the back end. We have already taken care of that. We have our quantum specialists for this, so then you only need to essentially use them in the way that we are teaching you how to use them, so they would give you the solution. Yeah.
Interesting. And are there any companies that already use this?
In terms of quantum inspired, since we are using tensor networks, I would say that no, in the way that we are developing the algorithms, because our team is, or one of our founders, Romano Rus, he's the chief science officer of the company. He's been one of the mathematical fathers of this framework of the tensor networks. So I think in the way that we are using it is very specialized and intrinsically related with our company and our values. Yeah, the great thing is that he's a professor in physics as well. So we are using these methods to run them in classical hardware, but using the advantages that quantum is offering us. But also we have partnerships with quantum companies such as D-Wave, where we can use the quantum computers in case that is necessary, or if it is for an optimization problem where its requirement is as well. Yeah, so we have this freedom to use one or the other one in a very particular way, as it would be for Compactify, where only we in the market are offering this technique for compressing models.
Sounds very good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For your time.
Thank you.
as we're learning more about AI and it's being used in different domains, and it is interesting how it also shapes a whole new different world for companies. This is the future, and of course it will develop and it will grow, and hopefully it will help to make a new world. More about AI in agriculture?
Yeah. So just to present it to you, Micofito is a startup in the biotech field. So we are working in order to prevent the soil for getting poorer and poorer. And for this, we are working on the innovation of the mycorrhization, which is going to enable the plants to gain more nutrients, reduce the water stress, and avoid putting too much chemicals into it. And today we are using more and more AI. We are at the moment creating MyConnection, which is an algorithm working on the Micofito databases that we already have, and open sources data that we are looking, like articles on mycorrhization. And this algorithm will allow us to get the best mycorrhization mixed for our client, because depending on the climate of the client, the soils he has, and the plants he wants to grow. And today we are working mainly in these 4 fields, which are so wine. We are working a lot with golfs too, on fruits and vegetables, and in the perfume also.
Do you use drones for that?
No, we have a little bit of IoT in our
production locations, but not drones.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Have you implemented for certain companies already?
You're talking about the AI model?
Yes. Is it implemented in some companies? Or?
No, it's an AI model that we are building, but for ourselves, and it's for the moment the objective of it is to respond to the needs of the client, but not for commercialization for the moment. Maybe later if it works, and maybe it will be useful for other topics. Then we could commercialize it.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.